What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and as you can see by the title, today we are talking about Bonfire. The AMA just ended around 20 minutes ago. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to do a quick recap of everything they talked about in the AMA. We'll go ahead and take a look at the price action, as well as a new website that they teased today alongside a registration form that you can sign right now for the new social media outlet that Bonfire is going to preview. They did preview it, but they are going to showcase here in a little bit. So if you are new around here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the family of investors. Please throw a like on this video so we can get it out to more people, and comment down below about Bonfire or any other cryptocurrency that you are in. Before we get started, folks, big shout out to Webull. If you use that Webull affiliate link down in the description below and open a brokerage account, when you deposit $100, you get a free stock that can be valued all the way up to $1,600. So go ahead, if you're looking to get a new brokerage or if you're new to investing, go ahead, use that Webull affiliate link, and now you can trade cryptocurrencies on Webull. So big deal there. Guys, the AMA just finished, and I just have to say, what a big turnaround from last week's AMA. This one was professional. There were 6 people. They all had great sound audio, very good quality. They were all answering questions and giving us updates in a very timely fashion. I think that it went perfectly. And you can see by the way the price started jumping here, even just during the AMA, how people reacted to all the news that has been coming out when it came to the AMA. So what I'm going to do for you guys, I've been taking some notes. I was taking some notes throughout the AMA, and we're just going to go one by one talking about the AMA as you see the price moving in the background. So first and foremost, Ultra showed his face, and the dude is super handsome. The guy is really clean looking. His accent is great. Obviously, we heard his voice before, but he looks very professional, and I was really excited to finally put a face to the name and the voice. It was great seeing him. Of course, it just gives you so much confidence about what's going on when it comes to Bonfire to see the face of Ultra. Now, unfortunately, Ultra is not going to be the CEO of Bonfire, folks. He is going to be in charge in some way, still going to be involved as some type of chief or manager or something like that. Obviously, this is his project, this is his baby, but he is not going to be CEO. So whenever I heard that, I was a little disappointed. But guys, there is light at the end of the tunnel. The reason why he is not CEO, is not going to be CEO, is because the Bonfire office and the whole entity is going to be listed in the Netherlands. And so they needed somebody of Dutch origin or a Dutch national in order to be listed in the Netherlands. So now that came in the form of somebody named Jordi Saysen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that last name correctly, but he is going to be taking charge in the Netherlands. He is the number one token holder. They are working to on trade marketing and making apps and obviously other things. There are future positions that will be open in the Netherlands office, and more info on that will be in the future. And now, of course, the biggest thing I think that came out of this AMA is that there is business talks with Chainlink. You guys know Chainlink is this huge cryptocurrency entity, and right now Bonfire is in talks with Chainlink in order to have a potential future collaboration. We didn't get a lot of information about this, but more info is to come. So guys, that was pretty much what Ultra and Jordy had to say. Obviously, it's nice to see the new CEO, and it's nice to see that they are going to be very serious about what's going on in the Netherlands, and not to mention the fact that William as well as Ultra will be flying out to the Netherlands in order to really set this up and make sure that everything goes as planned. So Will give us a small update. He is traveling to the Netherlands in the next few days. Ultra will follow soon after that. And then the app that they are producing will give this update, will be put out actually soon. He teased it a little bit today. Will is working on some UI, some UX, and some UX things when it comes to the app, so the user interface as well as the user experience when it comes to the app. So more information on that is yet to come. Andrew said that future AMAs will be 3 to 6 people max. The way the future AMAs will work is that they'll have one week where it's kind of like a more serious AMA where they come on, they'll do updates and stuff like that, and then the next week after that will be a little bit more fun and inviting where you can ask questions, and they're gonna bounce back and forth between the community and the devs, and they are really pushing hard to be working on their professionalism. Always good to see. Some information was also given on trading Bonfire at other platforms. They gave this warning about being careful of the fees that are on top of the 10% already Bonfire fee. And so always just be careful whenever you're trading on other platforms. Another big thing here is the social media platform is coming soon, and you can actually reserve your seat or your name on the website bonfire.name. I have it pulled up here, folks. 422. Whenever the AMA first started, this was in the 50s, I think 57 people. 422. If we refresh the page here, 2,288 people have already claimed their seat. So what you're going to do is you're going to reserve your seat by typing your first name, email address, and your username, and you can reserve your seat on this future platform, the Bonfire social platform. Huge deal here. It was really nice seeing them showcase this. Really a big deal. And obviously this kind of hints at a little bit of what the new website is going to look at, which we'll get into here in a second as the price continues to go up, as you can see on this chart here. Now, William and Nathan have been working on management, and William has been working on the new website, as we talked about before. There has been two other people working on the website, and both have a ton of experience. There's going to be new custom icons and unique design changes coming to the website. First, there's going to be a direct contact to the team on the website, a newsletter section for Bonfire News, FAQ section coming in, a blog section to simplify blockchain basics of crypto, thus bringing new investors, more investors, and a lot of traction. And there will also be a hint section, or like a coming soon section, that kind of showcases all the future products and projects that they are working in. There is also new writers that are working for the team, as well as multi-language specialists that are going to try to push this thing out to more countries by kind of translating things into different languages. Nathan also gave a small update on how users will be rewarded when speaking well about Bonfire. The new website will so the way it'll work is that there's going to be this leaderboard on the new website that shows who has been talking well about Bonfire on different social media outlets, and there will be some type of Bonfire reward for doing that. And the new website, also some big news here, the new website, you will be able to swap Bonfire directly just by connecting your wallet to the website and swapping on PancakeSwap directly on the website. Of course, next here, William did preview the website, and I have to say, guys, this thing looks ridiculously clean. I thought the website itself right now wasn't that bad, but the way that they showcase this thing, my goodness, very clean, very streamlined, smooth edges. It just looks amazing. Very good UI, very good UX in my opinion. I think that the new website is definitely going to be a hit, and I think it's going to bring in a lot more investors. Two new members of the team that just doxed, KB and Dean. I think these are, one of them is a community manager slash social media guy, and the other one has been working on the website. And then lastly here, Ultra signed us off by giving us some really, some really nice, encouraging words when it comes to Bonfire, talking about how this thing was serious. This is no longer, just a small coin that doesn't mean business. No, they are here to stay, and they mean business, folks. Everything was very professional. Ultra gave us a lot of conviction and confidence in the project, and he was just there spewing a whole bunch of knowledge. I really liked what was coming out of Ultra because he really was instilling a lot of confidence in what it means to be a Bonfire investor, and he was very transparent with everything that is going on. Obviously, there was some things that he couldn't talk about, but they're all overall definitely very transparent in giving us all this information. So that was pretty much all the updates that they gave us. Obviously, folks, I was there trying to listen and type at the same time all these updates, so I might have missed something, so please comment down below about what I missed. Next up, after that, they did take a few questions. It was very brief. I think they were, they seemed a little bit busy, so they were very brief, took a little bit of questions. The first question was about Chainlink. They kind of already addressed this, they can't really say very much right now, but there is talks between Bonfire and Chainlink for a future collaboration. We know how big that could be. Marketing, they really can't discuss what's going on as well when it comes to marketing, but they are trying to push out promotions as well as YouTube sponsorships. Obviously, Ultra thinks that they need to go even bigger than that and have some really big collaborations with some big companies. And this is currently in the works. He couldn't discuss about who they were talking to, but he said that there was talks right now. He also mentioned the fact that marketing is really not a priority at the moment. He really is trying to push this roadmap and making sure that this is a solidified coin. And then once they get there, they're going to start pushing the marketing. As well as he mentioned the fact that the crypto market isn't doing so hot right now. So doing some marketing really would not make a lot of sense because the crypto market is down. So that's pretty much all the updates and the AMA that they did. Obviously, folks, all of this was way better live. I'm just giving you a quick recap of what I could do. I think they did a tremendous job. It was about an hour long and it was very professional going from one person to the other. And we can see the price is continuing to rise here. We're at 1320. We started at around 1085 here and we were at 1320 here after an hour of the AMA. And so, guys, I think that this thing is going to continue to climb. Obviously, folks, I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I am into. This is by no means financial advice. I want you guys to go out and do your own research when it comes to any cryptocurrency or anything that I talk about on this channel. But really, today the AMA I thought was very strong and it gave me a lot of conviction. And I think that Bonfire is truly, truly, truly going places. But of course, only time will tell. As we zoom out here and look, we could potentially come back to these all-time highs. But to get there, we have to take these small baby steps. Folks, I want to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Did I miss anything when it came to the AMA? I probably did. Please let me know in the comment section. Throw a like on this video. Let's get it out to more people. Comment. Subscribe if you're new around here. Last but not least, if you watched all the way to the end, folks, that Webull affiliate link is in the description below. Go ahead and click it. Deposit $100. Get yourself some free stocks, free money pretty much. And then you can start trading with Webull. I really appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. It's your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out. Peace.